As a developer, every time you push a code, something could break. CI/CD makes sure that it doesn't. Today you will see exactly how. In a software project, multiple developers works on different features at the same time. They all commit the code independently, but to the same repository. But one day, these features need to be merged into the main software, and it raises merge conflict. Without a proper process, developers step on each other's code, and these merge conflicts, broken build, nobody knows whose change caused the failure. That's the chaos. Also, before merging, the codes needs to be tested, like unit test, integration test, the whole suite. Doing this manually is exhausting, time-consuming, and messy. When one missed tests or the bugs slips into the production. This kills the productivity and delays the feature releases. Developers spend more time fixing the integration issues than writing the new code. There has to be a better way. That's where CI/CD comes to the rescue. The CI stands for continuous integration. Developers merge the code into the main branch multiple times a day. Every merge triggers an automatic build and test, and the CD stands for continuous delivery or continuous deployment. The code that passes test is automatically prepared or deployed to production. So how the CI works? Every single commit triggers a pipeline. The code is built, tested, validated automatically. If something breaks, the team knows within minutes and not days. No more it works on my machine's complaints. And the CD, delivery versus deployment. The continuous delivery, the code is auto-tested and ready for deployment, but a human clicks the button before it can go to production. Where the continuous deployment, every passing commit goes live into production. There is no human gate. The source, build, test, deploy, and repeat. So CI/CD is your automated pipeline. It builds, tests, and deploy your code so you can ship with confidence. If you like this video or if you learned something from this, press the like button. Subscribe for more tech videos, explainers, and I hope you will continue supporting me. Thank you for watching, and drop a comment if you do use CI or CD for your job. So let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.